And that's the number one thing that all of these videos on AI are missing out. You will never make any money as long as you... Hey guys, Adeel Chowdhry here, back with another video for your viewing pleasure. Now I have to ask, have you seen the movie The Terminator?
I'll be back.
Because it applies to very much to all of the AI tools out there right now. Did you ever notice how ruthlessly effective he was? He was smashing a mofo's head in without a second thought if it progressed his mission. That's the power of AI. AI can be your own personal hitman, but instead of executing your enemies, it can make you some seriously fat stacks of cash. But only if you know how to talk to it in a language it understands. And only if you have the right target to go after. That's why in this video, I'm going to cover the core Terminator principles of how to get rich using artificial intelligence. You'll learn how to use AI correctly so it can execute whatever task you need it to. As of 2024, it can't yet whack anyone, but I'll make an update video when that becomes available. Then I'll give you 3 different options for how you can start making money this week. So let's do it. First things first, you need to know how to use AI tools like ChatGPT. Now you might think you know that already, but I guarantee you probably don't. This is you right now. Yep, you're like a cat with a learning difficulty. You don't know the first thing about AI prompting, but by the end of this video, you're going to be a ChatGPT wizard. This is going to be you. Look how smart and distinguished he looks. Now, there are a billion different prompts that you can copy and paste, which is fine, you do you. But I'm about to show you how you can create your own prompts in as little as 60 seconds. All you have to do is remember the 3 golden rules of AI prompts. Number 1. You have to be specific. If you just ask for a blog post or an email, you'll get a load of AI garbage coming out with all the emojis that look like a robot wrote it. And if you put crap in, you're going to get crap out. You have to be incredibly specific. How long should it be? And what tone should it use? What structure should it use? All things you should be telling ChatGPT to get the best results. Number 2. Use examples. AI tools do really well with examples. What you can do is let ChatGPT know that you're going to be feeding it some examples and not to do anything right now until you're done. Then paste in as many examples as you can find. You will get much better responses that way. Make sure to specify that you don't want it to copy the actual content, just the tone or structure. Otherwise, you're going to end up with some kind of Frankenstein mess. Not what you want. Number 3. Be thorough. One-line prompts aren't going to cut it. I've seen prompts that are significantly longer than the actual output text. You need to describe in detail every little change that you want. Now, I like to audio dictate it via my phone as I can speak faster than I can type. If you don't like the response, tell the AI what it did wrong, give it a spanking, and tell it how it can do better. Now, this will take some time, but once you've done it and you've got a prompt, you can use it over and over and over again. Okay, now you know the basics of how to use AI. But how can you actually use it to make money that you can blow on Gucci, girls, and even gold? Calm down, pal. I was just getting to that. Now, here are 3 methods that you can use depending on your skill and how far you want to take this. Option number 1. AI fulfilled services. And by services, I'm not talking about the ones that your mama sells on the street corner. I mean the kinds that you can do on sites like Upwork. You see, every day, hundreds of jobs are posted looking for writers. There are all tasks that you can do with a little help from Mr. ChatGPT. Now, you can't be a moron with this. Don't just paste the task brief into ChatGPT and expect to get paid for it. No, they could have done it themselves if they wanted that. What you need to do is to combine those prompts and your writing skills that you've learned at the start of this video with a little of human magic. Go through the output text manually and make sure that it all flows together nicely. And please, 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 I beg you to take out all the silly emojis and that damn rocket. And if you do a good job, but most importantly, that you do it fast, you'll be on your way to earning an extra few $1,000s every single month as an AI freelancer. Nice. Option number 2. AI-powered info products. Now, the second option is going to take a little bit more work to get started, but can be more profitable in the long run. What you can do is use AI tools to create informational products like ebooks and courses. These are going to be short, so you can charge anywhere from $3 to $30, depending on the market. That might not sound like a lot, but believe me, it adds up fast, especially when you consider that most of the work is done once the product is created. Then you can throw the book up on Amazon or build out a short funnel and watch the sales come pouring in. Oh yeah, baby, that's what I like to see. Option number 3, an AI automation agency. Now, the final option is the most advanced, but it's probably the fastest way to make $10,000 every single month if you're willing to put in the effort. You could start an AI automation agency. You see, instead of digging for gold, this time you're selling shovels to set up AI automations in people's businesses to save them time and money. Now, this will take some time to learn, but it's a service that is very much in demand at the moment, and you will almost certainly be able to sign up a few clients who pay you a few $1,000s every month. Depending on where you live, that could buy you 10 grams of pure cut Colombian powder. Now, I don't recommend that you do that. But listen, if AI automation sounds like something that you'll be interested in, stay tuned for the video coming out soon where I teach you how to learn any high-income skill for free in under 2 weeks. Just to wrap it up, I wanted to share a mindset change that you need to implement if you want to make money with AI. Now, slavery is illegal now, unfortunately, and you shouldn't treat AI like a slave either. AI is a tool, an extension of you. If you think that you can just copy and paste a few prompts without having the skills to know if the output is any good, then you won't get far. See, that's the difference between AI grifters who just plug prompts into ChatGPT and hyper-efficient entrepreneurs who use AI as a tool to get 10x more work done. AI extends your skills. That's the number one thing that all of these videos on AI are missing out. You will never make any money if you treat AI like a get-rich-quick button. Listen, AI can make you rich, but you have to put in the work to learn on how to use its full potential. And that, my dear friends, wraps up this video. But can you guys please do me a favor? I need you to clap for me. No, not your cheeks, but your hands. That means I need you to comment and like for the algorithms, please. It'll help push out my videos in front of other people just like you who desperately need my limitless vision and never-ending bad jokes. Now, if you leave a half-intelligent comment, I might even reply. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.